The first thing we're going to do in this lesson is talk about how a production possibility frontier illustrates inefficiency. An economy is inefficient when it obtains a point inside of its production possibilities frontier. In the graph above us, point D is feasible, but it's not efficient. Point D is feasible, but it's inefficient. We can produce 1,000 computers and 300 cars, but if we use our resources differently, and I would argue better, we could reach point A, which has more computers than 1,000 and more cars than 300. The same as for point D. Points A and B are feasible and give us more cars and more computers than D. Since they're feasible and give us more of everything, A and B would be efficient, but D is inefficient. D is inefficient because people would prefer point A to point D or B to point D because these 2 points, A and B, have more of both goods than D does. The second thing we're going to talk about is how a production possibility frontier illustrates growth. Shifts of the production possibility frontier out and to the right as the economy obtains more resources or better technology illustrates growth. The graph below shows the effects of a technological increase in the production of computers. The curve shifts up and to the right. This shift enables the economy to produce more computers and more cars than before. Let's look at the graph. The blue line shows the frontier at the old technology. When we get better technology for making computers, the amount of computers we can produce increases if we produce no cars. It also means if we're producing 600 cars, we can produce more computers than before. So you're going to get this outward and to the right shift of the curve as technology improves. In this example, the maximum number of cars we can produce stays at 1,000 because the technology used to make cars does not increase. The ability to produce more of all goods and services is what economists mean when they say that an economy is growing.